Are you intrigued by the idea that what you eat can have a profound impact on the health of your brain? Nutrition for optimal brain health is your gateway to exploring the connection between the food you consume and your cognitive well-being. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll uncover the fascinating relationship between nutrition and brain health, revealing how you can nourish your brain for a sharper, more vibrant mind. 1. The brain nourishing enigma. In the opening paragraph, introduce the enigma of nutrition's role in brain health, emphasizing its potential to influence memory, cognition, and overall mental well-being. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide holds the key to unraveling the secrets of a healthy brain through dietary choices. 2. The brain, an energy hog. Begin by discussing the energy-hungry nature of the brain. Describe how it requires a significant portion of the body's energy and how the quality of the nutrients consumed plays a pivotal role in its performance. 3. Nutrients for cognitive vitality. Delve into the specific nutrients that support brain health. Discuss the importance of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals in maintaining cognitive vitality. 4. Brain-boosting foods. Explore foods that are particularly beneficial for the brain. Highlight items like fatty fish, blueberries, leafy greens, and nuts, explaining how they can enhance memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. 5. The role of healthy fats. Discuss the significance of healthy fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids, in brain health. Explain how these fats are crucial for the structure of brain cells and for optimal communication between neurons. 6. Antioxidants and brain protection. Share insights into the protective role of antioxidants against brain aging and cognitive decline. Explain how they can neutralize harmful free radicals that may damage brain cells. 7. The gut-brain connection. Describe the emerging science of the gut-brain connection. Discuss how a healthy gut microbiome can positively influence brain health and how dietary fiber, prebiotics, and probiotics play essential roles in this relationship. 8. A lifelong commitment. Conclude with the idea that adopting a brain-boosting diet isn't just about short-term benefits, it's a lifelong commitment to maintaining cognitive vitality and emotional well-being. Encourage readers to see their food choices as an essential part of their journey to a sharper, healthier mind. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the significance of nutrition in brain health but will also be motivated to make informed food choices that nourish their brains for long-term cognitive well-being. Nutrition for optimal brain health is a journey into the world of nutritional wisdom, where every meal becomes an opportunity to fuel your mind and support its potential for excellence. So, let's embark on this journey to discover the remarkable advantages that come with embracing the power of nutrition for a healthier, more vibrant brain. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.